Almost everyone has experienced this problem. Inserting thread into a very small needle hole is really annoying. If you still often experience problems like this, from now on don't worry. I will share simple tips how to insert thread into a very small needle hole very easily. The first step is to prepare a cable that is no longer in use. Strip the cable and leave one strand. Then bend the cable strands and use insulation to combine them. So it only takes 1 minute to make this tool. This simple tool will make it easier for you to insert thread into a very small needle hole. To use it, insert the cable fiber into the eye of the needle. This cable fiber enters the eye of the needle more easily than thread. This is because the cable fiber has a hard and stiff texture. Then open the cable strands that you have combined earlier and insert the thread into it. The final step is to simply pull out the cable strands that you inserted into the eye of the needle that has been attached to the thread. The thread will automatically enter the hole easily. Second tip, if you don't have any used cables, you can use a piece of paper, fold the paper and cut it into a sharp shape on one side. Then split right at the sharp end of the paper fold. How to use this tool? Place the thread right on the folded part of the paper, hook the end of the thread right on the part of the paper that you have split at the pointed end of the paper. The last step is to insert it into the eye of the needle. The thread goes into the needle hole easily. If you like these simple tips, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I hope these tips are useful.